Do you know, say about 4 Ghanaians and are owning their own private jet in Ghana? Yes, 4 solid Ghanaians. Now, yeah, these Ghanaians, ebe bremo, I just say you will get to know. We pray, say more and more Ghanaians, including us and you, I will share video way one day. Ebe nye sika ato private jet of their own. Now, we share video way on YouTube. Yes, sure. Unyan subscribe here, do well. So, subscribe. We share video way on TikTok, X. Just say Facebook and Instagram. Ubenya full video of Vimbas on YouTube. Now there is 4 solid Ghanaians. I just say they are impacting Ghana. They are selling Ghana to the world by owning their own private jet. Private jet, they are easy to buy because oko parke airport in Pua, you are paying parking space. Just over fly here, landing ticket. Just a pilot will be using your crew and easy. It entails money. So and they are just everybody. Ebetimi sorry, not just a private jet for the beauty of it that be. It must be something a yield just a benefit. And this is and I say a more two coin, here and there, connecting with other businessmen. I just say ebe bring go. Now so auto private jet. Now say you are running at a loss. I just say you are killing yourself. So these individuals are the own private jet in Ghana. I just say we need to respect them. We need to acknowledge say they are really working hard. Now Kim Bygone, all credit to him, and I put an exclusive and well-detailed article highlighting the 4 solid Ghanaians they have private jets in the country. Now, number one, Dr. Daniel Macaulay, dodoɔ no friend McDan, one of the richest young men in Ghana. He is the first Ghanaian just a private jet only here for years now, which he still owns. Now, oko article nima just a Kim Bygone say Dr. Daniel Macaulay, the executive chairman of the McDan Group, is one of Ghana's most notable private jet owners. His company is deeply involved in logistics and aviation services, operating the executive lounge for private jets at Terminal 1 of Kotoka International Airport. Dr. Macaulay's private jet serves both personal and business purposes, reinforcing its influence in aviation industry. Or say McDan or private jet. Now the other year logistics just say shipping and co fifa nneɛma in and out of the country. Also or the any personal business. So to kwan ako UK, US, Kenya, South Africa. Or use obi foforɔ nso ehia for rental purposes HSA orientate this private jet at the man. Now, ono and you will be our shaping the aviation space, just planes, private jet in the country and Africa at large. Number two, Ibrahim Mahama. Ibrahim Mahama, the president's brother, from the 1990s. And as a brandy we make money. And so recently, just a few years ago, and a brand new private jet, our Tunidin said Jata, a private jet will the to coin in and out of the country. Now, article or choy in you see Ibrahim Mahama, the CEO of Engineers and Planners and the brother of President John Mahama, is one prominent Ghanaian private jet owner. His luxurious Bombardier 604, nicknamed Jata, is known for its exquisite interior featuring cream-colored seating and top-tier comfort. Mahama's wealth amassed from his successful business empire, which has enabled him to indulge in such high-end transportation. Or say, Ibrahim Mahama, one of the few Ghanaians and also won a private jet, Bombardier, Bombardier 604. Interior ni a cream, ni a unique, very expensive, fair. Keke. Now, because of the businesses. Or no, on renting it there, or two coin, and any brother, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in here now or the amano, Nemba, the wife, and I say, any other person or you close to him now so on rente on one casa and a businesses, editu kwine. Now this gentleman, Sikapa Adolfo Ibrahim Mahama, is extremely rich. So number 3, Richard Ni Amakwe, the newcomer. Ono and the CEO of Quick Angels Limited just a few days ago and author this brand new private jet of his. Now say and Kim Bygone Troye while touching on his. Or say one of the latest additions to Ghana's ally private jet owners is businessman Richard Niamakwe. Report indicates that he has acquired a brand new Gulfstream private jet worth 25 million US dollars. The acquisition further cements his status as a high net worth individual in the country. Alongside his private jet, Kwe also reportedly owns a Bugatti Chiron with 4 million, showcasing his extravagant lifestyle. According to Kim Bygone, which we all saw, the next person on the list Okita a private jet, Richard Ni Amakwe, who owns a 25 million US dollars private jet plus a 3.3 summed up to 4 million together with duty and shipping Bugatti Chiron, indicating how extravagant the lifestyle here. Now just recently and I just said this expensive private jet can the list of private jets owners in the country. Lastly, Kevin Autry, another young and extremely rich and successful businessman, like very, very rich. Abrante wey dey onye dede, you may not hear of him here and there. And so, eja ewon ho pa enya asem ketu akra. So according to Kim Bygone, Kevin Autry, the CEO of Springfield Group, also owns a private jet. Recent social media posts have shown him aboard his jet with media personality Oliver Kahn, also known as Ship Dealer. The meeting, which took place inside his luxurious aircraft, further highlights Autry's success in the oil and gas industry. His private jet reflects his high-flying lifestyle and business accomplishments. Adolfo Kevin Autry, the CEO of Springfield Group, and also private jet. Quite recently, as you see on the screen, and Oliver Kahn, Ship Dealer, have a meeting, have a fun, the private jet. Now it indicates otai etutu kwan pa papa we di echese kasika no ho pa. So these are some Ghanaians more private jet, in case you are wondering. So well, a big congratulations to them. Yenso yenam kwan so a yeba. Also I'll share video we yenam kwan so a oba. We believe say you will definitely own a private jet. Vimbas TV so and we will share video on YouTube. Unyan subscribe here. Do well. Say over subscribe. And all credit to Kim Bygone. Yada CP.
Vimbas TV.